Table-Hebei Walter Intelligent Equipment Company Limited is a professional metal equipment supplier. We located in China Casting Town, Botou City. We have thousands of square meters of factory, professional well-trained working team, 20 years experienced R&D team, and high-precision CNC machine. Our main product is welding table accessories, and welding consumables. We have same standard product with international brands, which has high precision and low tolerance with high flatness. Each product is designed to be durable, efficient, and adaptable to diverse manufacturing needs. We have low MOQ require. One table or sample accessories are welcome. The customized production has same policy. If you don't know how to choose a welding table and accessories, we can also customize product solutions to meet your needs. Just give me your design, we can handle the rest of things. Walter will provide you with a complete set of solutions to make your purchase and use of the product a satisfying experience. We have experienced sales team, timely response, professional export experience, customized product solutions, and supply cost-effective offer is what we good at. We have sell our product to North American, Europe, and other 20 countries. Walter hope to make more good relationship with our client, providing qualified products and ensuring customer satisfaction is our goal. If you want a better solution of welding table and accessories, please contact with us.